Yeah, so they were fixing part of it, and then you can actually bring stuff up, like help bring stuff up. And me and Kevin wanted to do it. I don't know if it's still gonna be.
I asked Cassie, she said they're done.
I don't think the whole thing. I think, you see all the logs on the left side? Yeah. I think that is, I don't know, probably going down. But pretty sure there's still a lot more things to do. But yeah. We gotta climb all that today. This is like my 5th time though. So. Ready? Mm-hmm. Alright. Oh. Do you want me to leave the water somewhere?
Nah, just go.
Just do it all the way up?
At the top.
Okay.
Start timer.
Alright. See ya. So far so good. Alright, so I'm about halfway up and I am at a section where there's no gravel or ground on the bottom. It's all steep holes under the rails, or you know, they do say that you can go past it through the Murphy's Pass, which is this way up to the side and goes around where this section of track is. But I might just go through here. Always go through the section. Yeah, I think I only did not go through here one time when they were fixing these. They replaced some of them, so I had to go around. But other than that, I've been going through this bridge here. Just gotta be a little careful, because you can see if you fall through, you can go pretty far down. But yeah, just gotta take it slow and be careful. Now, after the bridge will be the hardest section of the whole hike because of how steep it is.
You can't pull me down. Then we both have to go to the hospital. It's hard to not all your quads and all.
Oh my god.
One step at a time. Let's go. We take a rest. Enjoy this view. Hanauma Bay. Diamond Head all the way over there. Hawaiʻi Kai. Koko Head. Sometimes you gotta use all four.
Yeah, I think that's what. Yeah, and I was like the only one. Like I was the first person to
No more, only the one in my bottle.
I want to sit in mine.
Well, we can go to the beach after.
No,
No, you gotta keep going up.
Tiny bit more over the shoulder.
This look like the top, but it's not.
The top is worth it.
So you're gonna work my ass off for this?
No, this is shitting for you. Alright, nice meeting you, man.
Alright, have a great day.
Thanks, you too. Maybe I'll see you when you come back up again.
I'm surprised they don't do like gondolas for people that can't dig up like views.